In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user board or timeline template to your canvas in Chrome and connect task cards to timeline dates in a clear, organized way. To get started, open your board in Chrome and make sure you're on the canvas where you want to build your timeline view. The goal here is to create a simple visual workflow that helps you map tasks against dates while also showing relationships between those tasks. This is especially useful when you want your project plan to be easy to scan at a glance. Begin by adding a user board or timeline template to your canvas. Place it somewhere with enough room around it because you'll be adding task cards and drawing connections. Once the template is on the board, take a moment to look at its layout so you understand where the date columns are and how your tasks will align with them. Keeping the template centered and uncluttered will make the rest of the setup much easier. Next, create your task cards. You can do this using Miro cards or sticky notes, depending on the style you prefer. Miro cards are great if you want a more structured task format, while sticky notes can feel faster and more flexible for lightweight planning. As you create each task card, keep the text short and specific so it stays readable when viewed from a distance. If you already know the purpose of each task, naming them clearly now will save time later. Once your task cards are ready, move to the step where you connect them to the timeline. Hover over a task card until you see the connection arrow appear. Then drag that arrow directly to the timeline date column that matches when the task should happen. This creates a visual link between the task and its place on the schedule. Try to drag carefully so the connection lands on the correct date column, especially if several dates are close together. After the line is created, label it with task dependencies or status updates. This is where the connection becomes much more informative. For example, you can use the label to show that one task depends on another, or to indicate a status such as planned, in progress, or blocked. Keep these labels concise so they're easy to read without overwhelming the board. As you continue, make small adjustments to spacing if lines begin to overlap too much. A clean layout makes the timeline far more useful for collaboration and review. When you're done, you'll have a canvas that not only shows what tasks exist, but also when they happen and how they relate to each other in a visual, easy to follow format.